Hello friends, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Depends where you're watching me from. I am Mrs. Princess Ifi Anije. I am well known as Princess Ifi on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Yes, I have come to highlight some positive tips. It's about our family, the issues we are passing through now in our family. Please, parents, I want to give some advice about our children. Many things are going on. Our children are going astray now. I want to tell us that we have to have an intimacy with our children, observe the friends they are going out with, try and create a close relationship with our children, have a conversation with them, even those that don't want to be close to us, even those that choose to be isolating, that we will not be able to know them well. Please, it is our duty, it is our obligation to try and observe them and make an intimacy with them. Always have a conversation, know them more, so that we can be able to advise them, advise them the things they need to know, the things they need to do, so that they will be in a positive side. To end everything, we need our children to be more positive, so that they will be useful for us, because some our children are going astray. Thank you, and may God bless every one of us. Bye for now. Bye. Bye.